Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin itong latest post ni Kifi Chu or si Crisette Laureta Chu. Tungkol ito kay Yusek Claire Castro. Sabi niya, I hope the rumors swirling on social media that PCO Yusek Claire Castro is being let go is not true. Okay, so klaruhin natin baka ma-charge tayo ng fake news. Marites lang ito naririnig ni Crisette Laureta Chu. Kaya, sabi niya, sana hindi totoo. So, walang confirmation, walang assurance kung tatanggalin ba si PCO Yusek Castro o hindi. Bali-balitarang, marites lang. Kaya lang, ang punto dito ni Crisette is, sana hindi totoo. Ayaw niyang aalis sa PCO, ayaw ni Crisette Laureta Chu na matanggal siya bilang Palace spokesperson. Bakit? Okay. Ituloy na to. Personally, sabi, even if I am not pro-Marcos, I would rather have her than all the past PCO Yuseks. Mas gusto niya na manatili si Auntie Claire dyan sa PCO. Bakit naman? Crisette. Yan. Ito yung mga dahilan. She is a very good spokesperson because she reflects exactly the language, the tone, and morals of the government she works for. Wow! Bagay na bagay daw si Yusek Castro para sa administrasyong Marcos. Kasi parehas sila ng tono, ng morals. Itong gobyernong ito is bagay na bagay si Yusek Claire Castro. At yan exactly ang trabaho ng spokesperson. You speak for the president, for the government, and she's very good because she's aligned to how BBM thinks. Parehas sila ng pag-iisip, parehas sila ng style ng BBM administration. Okay. She is the exact symbol of values and perspective of the Marcos administration. And her entire persona and thought process is reflective of this government. She is the female version of BBM, but more understandable than him, as she uses the language of the masses. Mas madali daw maintindihan itong si Yusek Claire Castro kasi kung magsalita parang nasa palengke lang parang palengkera lang, parang nasa kanto-kanto lang, ganon. Si BBM masyadong Inglesero, mahirap maintindihan ang sinasabi ni BBM. Kaya very effective itong si Yusek Claire Castro according to Crisette. Isa pa, di ba may stereotype that the Marcoses are social? Yusek Castro helps put the admin down to the level of the Bakya and Jologs crowd like me, which is very, very important. Her innate kabakyaan serves the masa she is talking to. Kabakyaan ano bang kabakyaan? Bakya. Otsotso? I don't know. She's very relatable to the Maritises of the Philippines. She's one of them, one of us. Unlike social spokespersons, Claire's language and actions are very barangay hall chick. Pambarangay. She is also very New York, but Cubao. Di ba may Cubao sa New York? May New York sa Cubao. No spokesperson then or now in the Philippines has been as ka-level ng normal na tao as Yusek Castro, and for me, that's a huge plus. Parang yung kapitbahay mo lang siya. Most importantly, because of Yusek Castro, Hindi makakalimutan ng tao si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte because there is no day she doesn't remember him and mention him. Oo nga naman. Basta nagsalita ang ating Auntie Claire, may Duterte palagi. Oh. So nare-remind ang taong bayan tungkol kay PRRD. So dapat ngang pasalamatan natin si Auntie Claire dahil lalo niyang pinapasikat si PRRD. Okay. As a taxpayer, sabi niya, I demand that we keep Yusek Castro in her job because she informs and entertains us. Nakakaaliw eh. Pagpakinggan mo siya, talagang nakakaaliw. Please, 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 sabi niya. Okay, dinagdagan pa niya. Dagdag ni Kipicho, sa comments na lang ito ha. I have never been as excited to watch mga videos and excerpts and clips of Yusek spokesperson as I am when I tune in to watch. What is Yusek Castro going to say next? Oh. Ito yung mga comments, basahin ko. Alina Norardom, that statement, she reflects the language, the morals of the government she works for. Hit a nerve ni Auntie Claire. Aika Dulam, I like her too. She gives me a daily laugh. Oh. Nagpapakatawa eh. Jonex Salenas, my sentiments exactly. She's my daily dopamine and caffeine fix. I don't think I can survive the day without Auntie Claire. Grabe. Ang daming nagpapasalamat pa, natutuwa kay Auntie Claire. Titito Buhok, sarcasm is also a figure of speech. It baffles the stupid, but humors the wise. Ninyo Bugnot, I do agree with this, Miss KLC. Maraming nag-agree, oh. Ronnie Quesa Jr., she has the best of both worlds. She can entertain you and annoy you at the same time. It's to goat backyard. Let's protect Yusek Castro. Oh, dami no? Talagang Vic Ocampo, tama, give her salary raise. Oh, dapat daw, patasin ang sweldo niya. Corazon Medina, ha ha ha, now I'm seeing her in a different way. Oh, sige, ituloy. Patron, sige, protect her. She's a national treasure. Lioness, she makes the Duterte's very relevant every time she opens her mouth. So yeah, keep her para mas lalo na mapahamak yung admin. Okay. So salamat Criset sa ganitong post, nakakatuwa. So sana hindi matuloy na matanggal siya. Hanggang 2028 siya, okay lang ba kayo? Na huwag tatanggalin si Yusek Claire Castro? Comment nyo lang. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pakikinig sa ating mga videos, panunod. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig. Dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is tinutulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng Tribong Talandig. Kaya, salamat sa inyong panunod, lalo na yung hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. So, panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Maupod niyang natabangan na mugero. So, ako silang ayo! Maayong udto! Muna ni ang nahatag namo nga yero. So ila na gid na atop. So maayo na gid ang ilang atop karon. So unsa man imong maistorya nga karon maayo na inyong atop o kuan na gyud nindot na gyud.
Pasalamat mi sa Ginoo kay natagaan mig sin. Wala nang gatulo diri sa balay og sa nag-sponsor. Salamat sad kaayo. Kay dili mi matabangan kung dili mao ang nag-sponsor ani ug ang Ginoo. Kung wala pa ang tabang, dili pa mi makaatop kay lisod pa ang panginabuhian karon. Tayo ni nga tabang kay para nga makadawat pa mi. Kay daghan pa ang among problema nga di na makuan. Sama aning sin di karon atop nami.
So salamat kaayo. Sige.